Na-experience mo na bang kumain sa Tepanya? Yung may apoy-apoy at nilulutong food sa harap mo? For Nanay's birthday, we decided na i-treat siya sa SM North Towers branch nila. And with a regular rate na nasa 1.5 per person for dinner. Only drinks lang ang kasama, walang dessert. Dahil 3 groups per chef, we had to wait for our turn para lutuin yung food namin. So while waiting, we can order from their non-teppanyaki menu. Sobrang daming choices, mabubusog ka agad, so make sure na sakto lang yung ma-order mo. Na-entertain naman kami while nagluluto si chef sa harap namin, so that helped pass the time. From their menu, we started with their salads kasi gusto ni nanay. Then their gyoza, it's to die for. Naka 2 orders kami nito, sobrang bursting with flavors and malaman siya. Yung miso soup nila, sobrang malasa. Sarap kasi mainit-init talaga nung sinerve. We also tried their baked scallops, karaage, sushis, and tempura. From their teppanyaki menu, we had their freshly cooked fried rice. Ang sarap. Pwede mong kainin na siya lang. Sa grilled meats, yung beef sukiyaki cut, ribeye, and pork bacon cut lang ang natry namin. Perfectly cooked and they're quite flavorful. Pinakagusto namin though is their gyutataki chizu roll. Solid to. We would have loved the second round kaso we didn't want to wait anymore and nabusog na rin kami from their non-teppanyaki menu items. Medyo mabagal ang serving nila from their menu and may times we had to follow up kasi either nakalimutan or wala na pala. Marami ring unavailable items na gusto namin sana. Nag-enjoy naman kami overall, lalo na nung nag-fire show sila with all the chefs. It was a good experience naman, lalo na kasi natuwa si nanay. Maybe we'll try sa ibang branch, baka mas better ang whole Teppanyaki experience. Na-try mo na ba sa Tepanya? Share with us your experience.